Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Costco haul and it is currently October 10th. We have a big camping trip planned this weekend with our boys and Cub Scouts, and so I needed to pick up several things for that camping trip. I got some really fun seasonal holiday finds and then just some other staples to have for the rest of the month. So let's just get into it. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. If you're interested in the prices of these items, I'll have them listed in the description section below the video. So the first thing I got was this container of Cascade dishwasher soap. We have probably like 3/4 of one left, but I always like to have one in back stock, just in the cupboard in the laundry room. That's where I keep my stuff. These jumbo tortillas. So for the camping trip, we're making breakfast for 60 people on Sunday morning. So we signed up to bring some tortillas, and other families also going to bring some tortillas. So I got these. Onions. So we're going to have the boys, while we're camping, make a bunch of pico de gallo salsa. So we needed onions for that. And then I'm going to get limes and cilantro, do a grocery delivery later today. So, but for Costco, I got the onions. And then a bag of Cesar salad kit mix. This is good through the 24th of October, 20th of October. So I figure we'll have this probably next week with dinner. This sourdough bread, we love this. We have probably a half a loaf left in our freezer, so I'll just throw both of these in our freezer. We do avocado toast on this. We do avocado and then radishes, pumpkin seeds, tomato, sea salt, and then if we have balsamic glaze, we'll just drizzle that on it. It's so good. This is also good just for regular toast and sandwiches. So we love to keep this sourdough in the freezer. So we have 2 loaves of that. This big pack of carrots. We are out of baby carrots, so I needed that for the house. These egg bites, they're like a Starbucks dupe. There's 5 packs in each box, so there's 10 total. My husband and I bring these to work often because we've been trying to eat breakfast a little bit later in the day, and so this is just easy to warm up at work for breakfast. And yeah, we've gone through almost both boxes that I got this last trip. This cheddar jack cheese, I'll stick one of these in the freezer and send one of these for breakfast on Sunday when we make those breakfast burritos. These Dots pretzels, these are so good. This is just the original flavor. They have a honey mustard one, and I think an apple cinnamon one. I've never tried that one. Both of the mustard and the regular are super good. I figured this would be a good camping snack and just to have in our pantry, send it to school sometimes with the boys for their at-school snack. Paper plates, we signed up to bring paper plates. I also got paper bowls just because we like to keep these on hand for convenience at home when I'm doing breakfast or something. We do yogurt parfaits a lot, and if I just don't want to dirty up dishes, or if we have company over for soup or something, it's nice to have those. So got those. 5 dozen eggs. We have almost gone through the last 5 dozen. I made a couple quiches the last few weeks, and we just eat a lot of eggs. We have eggs almost every day, and there's 4 of us. So this granola, I've been meaning to make homemade granola, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Maybe I'll do that this evening. But we use this in our parfaits. What else? Let's see. These chips, super fun. They're Halloween themed. I figured I would do maybe nachos one night with those for dinner in the next couple of weeks. This pizza kit, there's 4 crusts in here, and this is good through the end of December. So I thought with just the craziness of the holidays and needing an easy dinner, we could do homemade pizzas one night. Got some butter to throw in the freezer just with the holidays coming up for baking. Some bananas, they're green, so they'll hopefully last us a little bit longer. 2 gallons of milk. This Chosen Foods mayonnaise, we have about 1/4 of a jar left, so I'll stick that in the pantry for now. This Boursin cheese, so good. This is great with just crackers or making a like sauce for pasta. It's really good with that. So got those. This fun little bucket of dog toys. Our dog is gonna love these. They like squeak and they're pretty non-destructible. I mean, I'm sure he will destroy them at some point, but we've had these before and he does pretty well with them. So his birthday is in October and then also Christmas is coming. So I figured we could use those for presents for him. We got some bagels. So normally I get kind of the not as good quality bagels just because they last longer. These always go bad so quickly. I should freeze them and I will. So for camping, for the Saturday morning, we wanted something really easy to not have to cook. So the boys are gonna do bagels and cream cheese. And I think after this weekend, I'll just throw whatever's left in the freezer. So in case they want that instead of like a burrito on Sunday morning, or I'm sure with all the Cub Scouts running around, other people will want some bagels too. So whatever's left, I'll stick in the freezer. I got everything in the plane. This stuff is just my holiday decor, so I didn't get that at Costco. Got some tomatoes for the salsa the boys are gonna make. So they have the onion, the tomato, and then like I said, I'll get the other ingredients from Walmart grocery delivery or something. So that is that. I got a big bag of tortilla chips to go camping, to go with the salsa for everybody. Some bite-sized potatoes just for the pantry. I use those as sides in dinners. Cut them in half, throw some olive oil and salt on them, and then roast them for 25 minutes, and they're so good. Such an easy side for dinner. Rotisserie chicken. We'll either have that for dinner tomorrow night before we head out for the trip, or early next week. I'll just stick it in the refrigerator. I haven't decided yet, but you can't beat the Costco chickens. Got these foil pans. I love keeping these on hand because they're great for camping trips in general, and we do a lot of camping, like in our camping trailer and stuff, but this is tent camping this weekend. Anyway, since we're cooking for a bunch of people, this will be nice to serve the food in, and then also with the holidays coming as well. So I wanted to stock up on those. I got this Kirkland heavy whipped cream. They usually have, I think it's the Lucerne brand at my Costco, but I've never seen the Kirkland brand, so I'm excited to have this. We usually buy these going into the holidays for hot chocolate, pumpkin pie, like anything else you might need the whipped cream for. So this is the first time I've seen it at my Costco. I'm happy to have that. The crunchy munchy apples, the oven roasted turkey breast. This is what we use on our sandwiches. We also signed up to bring plasticware, so I got a big box of 180 forks, 120 spoons, and 60 knives. We got a couple advent calendars. So one of our family traditions is to do advent calendars every night in December. So everybody in the family gets one. The boys usually get like a Lego one or a rock one, some sort of science themed, or like Pokemon, whatever. I usually get like a makeup one. I think this year I might do Kindle books though, like have my husband buy $5 or less Kindle books and then write them down on a sheet of paper and put them in my advent calendar. Haven't decided. My husband usually does a tool one, and then we have a chocolate one as the family. So this is the Lindt advent calendar, and we did this one last year and we really loved it, and we take turns opening it. So there's lots of different kinds of chocolate in this one, and we've gotten a different one at Costco before where it was just like the same piece of chocolate every night. So this is a fun little treat. Every fourth night, because there's 4 of us, you get a little sweet treat that you can have or save for later or whatever. So we do the chocolate one, and then I found this one for our dog. So I've got little boys. They're, how old are they? 9 and 6. And they love including our dog in all kinds of family activities. So I thought this was super fun. It's by Bark, which I assume is the people that make Bark Box, which is like a subscription service for dog stuff. But in this advent calendar, it has 8 toys and 16 dog treats, plus a sweet digital surprise, it says. So I imagine that's like a coupon for their subscription service. We'll see. But I just thought it was so fun. I think it was like $35, but again, I'll have the price listed below. And yeah, I'm excited to have something for him to enjoy each night too when we do the advent calendars. Tide Pods, we needed those. These pumpkin spice donuts. So when we go camping, some friends of ours that we used to camp with all the time, they've moved away, which is so sad, but they would always buy these Franz donuts. And so it was kind of a tradition, like when we would play card games at night to bust out the donuts. That was their family's thing. So I thought it would be fun for this weekend's trip to get them these pumpkin spice ones that they had at Costco. So there's those. Some blueberries, some tomatoes, some sliced whole milk cheese, Greek yogurt. We use this instead of sour cream normally. We also make yogurt parfaits with that. I also got, I think I forgot to show you, I also got the, what is it? Here, let me come over here. The Oikos 000 yogurt. We get this every month as well. We use this for yogurt parfaits too, but sometimes I've been really loving the plain yogurt with some honey and then frozen cherries and either just almonds or granola. It's so good. The frozen cherries from Costco are delicious, and we still have half a bag, or I would have gotten more, but I will definitely be buying more of those. So Greek yogurt, salsa, I'll bring that camping. Grapes, I think I showed you. This Kirkland French roast coffee. We love this stuff. They used to have, it was a local, we're in Northern California. It used to be San Francisco Bay, a holiday blend they would come out with every year that we just loved so much, but I haven't seen it in years. So I like this better than the Starbucks Christmas blend, but in November, and I think I say this every year, Starbucks comes out with a Thanksgiving blend whole bean coffee, and it is so good. So we always stock up on that. Unfortunately, we can't get it at Costco, so we have to buy just kind of like the regular size of coffee beans from our local Starbucks, and we'll buy probably 8 to 10 bags and just hang on to them for months and months and kind of drink them throughout the winter. But it's so good. We stumbled on that blend over like in 2020. We had, gosh, it was November of 2020. We normally travel out of state to visit family, but we stayed home. And my husband and I had gone to Starbucks right after Thanksgiving through the drive-thru, and they were selling their Thanksgiving blend coffee on clearance. And so we were like, yeah, we'll take a bag. And then we got home and we had it the next day, and we went back and just bought whatever they had left. It was only a couple bags at that time. But ever since that year, we've been purchasing multiple bags every year. Starbucks Thanksgiving blend coffee. Try it out. It's so good. Cucumbers, I think, did I show you those? 2 packages of them. I haven't seen these in forever. For whatever reason, my Costco has not had these in months, or at least they put them somewhere and I didn't notice it. But we use these on breakfast sandwiches. We've been using just regular like turkey lunch meat, so I'm happy to have those back. Super fun. Okay, this cranberry goat cheese. It's goat cheese with cranberry and cinnamon on the outside. We get this every year, and my husband, we normally decorate the outside of our house for Christmas right like the weekend before Thanksgiving, because we go out of state, and that way when we come home, the outside is decorated, and then we just have like our Christmas tree and the inside to decorate. So when we're doing that, I always make a big like charcuterie spread. My mother-in-law comes over, we all have it, hang out outside while my husband decorates. And it's a really fun tradition. So we always have this cheese, and my boys talk about this cheese all year long. My dad also gets some of this for Thanksgiving at his house, so they love having this just this time of year. It's like the fun thing that they love so much. So I got some of that. They're going to be excited to see that when they get home from school. I showed you the Tillamook cheese. And then I also saw this year, which is new, this celebrity apple pie goat's milk cheese. So I'm excited to try this one. This is good through January, so we might save this for like a Christmas celebration or something. So there's that. Then I got some coffee creamer, and they had Christmas pillows. I couldn't resist. So a sleigh with a Christmas tree, so pretty. We'll either put this in our master bedroom on our bed, or even just on our couch for some Christmas decor. So that is everything I got on this trip to Costco. And again, I'll have the prices listed below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.